Welcome back to my channel for a new recipe. I hope you're all doing well and had a lovely holiday. So today I am sharing with you a very simple yet very flavorful butternut squash and apple soup. This soup is very easy to make and is ready in only 30 minutes. It's also suitable for vegetarian, vegan and is gluten-free. So stay tuned for the recipe. If you're new to my channel, press on the subscribe button. It's absolutely free. Click on the like and share my videos with your family and friends. You will find the list of all the ingredients you need for this recipe in the description box. For the ingredients you will need 2 diced carrots, 1 diced potato, half a diced butternut squash, 1 diced apple, 1 diced onion, 3 minced garlic cloves, salt to your taste, black pepper to your taste, 250 ml of coconut milk, 1 liter of chicken stock, or if you're vegetarian, 1 liter of vegetable stock, and olive oil. Preheat the oven at 180 degrees. Add the butternut squash and the apple to an oven tray. Add a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Mix well and roast for 20 minutes. Meanwhile, in a hot pan, add 1 tablespoon of olive oil, then add the onions and stir a little bit. Then add the garlic and stir a little bit. Add the carrots. Add the potato and cook for 3 minutes. Then add half a teaspoon of salt, a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper and stir. Add the coconut milk, add the chicken or vegetable stock, stir a little bit, cover and cook for 20 to 25 minutes or until the vegetables are cooked. After 20 minutes, remove the squash and apple from the oven and add them to the pan. Stir a little bit, cover and cook for a further 5 minutes. Then pour the vegetables into a blender and mix until smooth and creamy. Transfer it back into the pan and finish by garnishing the soup with pumpkin seeds and some single cream if you wish. Et voila, our delicious soup is ready. This soup is so creamy and so delicious as the butternut squash and apple marry together so well and makes it burst with flavor. This 30-minute recipe is the one to try. Please let me know how it turned out in the comment section or message me a picture of your delicious soup on my Instagram that you can find in the description box. Bon appétit! If you like the video, like and share with your family and friends, and before you leave, click on the subscribe button if you haven't done it yet. It's completely free. Hit the bell to receive notification and leave me a comment about the video or what you would like me to cook in the next video. Thank you for watching and I will see you next time with a new recipe.